Hello dear Gemini, welcome to my channel, and this is your last week's exclusive love reading plus career reading for the month of July. Plus this is also going to be the beginning of the first week of August, which means this will last from July 28th to August 3rd. Now we're going to cover your love and career. If you're a sun moon rising Gemini, this is for you. We'll start with your career first. You've got the Master card and the Five of Sun. I do see that you are involved in a business or a job or any kind of work which involves you to be at a good position, at a position where people are dependent on you. It can be any field from service, a counselor, a doctor, a lawyer, a pilot, artist. People are dependent on you for your skill. They trust you. And I also see that you have a very giving energy. With the MasterCard here, I do see that you are taking care of your employees. You're taking care of your team members. You're taking care of your colleagues in some way or the other. Okay, you're not like leaving them or being rigid with them or being too bossy with them, but you are there to take care of them this week. I also see that especially if you are facing a lot of struggle in the sense that if you are facing a lot of competition in your career, be rest assured that this week you will hear some good news. If you have applied for a job, they will choose you. If you want a promotion, they will choose you. If you have tough competition in your business, clients will choose you and come to you. Yes, this is a card of rivalry and competition, but it is also a card of success, which means eventually people will be choosing you no matter how tough the competition is. But there is a trick that you need to follow, especially if you are dealing with people where your life is at stake in some way, like job interviews. You have to go, you want to get the job. You cannot show overconfidence, you cannot show ego. If this week you're going to show ego or overconfidence, things are not going to turn in your favor. So please make sure, even after you get that kind of success, bonus, money, wealth that you're waiting for, do not rub it in people's face. Be humble, and you will see how uh, good things turn out to be and how much you flourish in life. So please remember that guidance. Let's see what's happening in your love life now. You've got the Six of Moons and the Seven of Suns. Gemini, I do see you looking backwards. You're stuck in the past, you're thinking about something. It can be related to a person, you want to go back to a relationship or happy times, right? You miss them, you want them back, maybe, or because right now things are just not working out for you. I do see there are challenges in your love life. I do see that in relationships you're facing a lot of problem. It does feel like it's a mountain you have to climb with, it's never ending. Like you're walking, 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 but you're not reaching that state of love or peace or reciprocation. It could be that your love is not being reciprocated. It could be that you're facing rejections, delays in some way, or it could be that, things are still not smooth even after so many years. Or you both are just not getting married. Sometimes it's family problems, sometimes it's financial problems, sometimes it's something or the other. But don't worry. This is a card which talks about the eventual success. That yes, there is a mountain you have to climb. Yes, there is struggle. Yes, there is effort. Yes, there are delays. But you will reach the top of the mountain. Success is just around the corner. So if you're about to give up on a person or a relationship, please don't. Continue to put in the work, and also stop looking in the past. Okay, things might not be the same. Okay, but that doesn't mean that they cannot be better, right? They can change to better also. So please make sure that you do not give up this week on love, on relationships, on your future, or marriage, anything even that involves, for a lot of you, your family relationships as well, with your immediate family members, your friends as well. So if something has been like a struggle to you, please wait, please be persistent, do not give up. Success will come and find you in your love and relationships as well. So this week, if I look at it overall, it's very good for you guys. Okay, it looks great. A lot of things will come to light, and please, but do follow the guidance so that it's as smooth as possible for you. And yes, this was a general reading. If you would like to book your own personal reading, you can check out the description box. I have a lot of services available, including rituals, counseling sessions, no contact readings, love readings, packages as well. So if you want to know about the prices, you can A, email me on my email ID, or B, you can directly DM me on my Instagram handle, which is the Moksha Tarot. And guys, please follow me on Instagram because you will stay updated. I keep on posting the stories of with the prices, so you will get to know how budgeted and cheap the prices are. Okay, very good readings available at this price is, I think, a catch. So go and check that out. And yes, take care of yourself. And I'm going to see you very soon. Do not forget to like to this video, comment, and subscribe. Take care. Bye bye.